How to download and install Janitor AI application on your phone. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download the Janitor AI app on your phone. It is an AI-powered chatbot platform designed to generate human-like conversation for various applications, including customer support, role-playing, and interactive storytelling. It allows its user to create and interact with AI-generated characters, often incorporating personality customization and natural language processing for more engaging dialogues. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, and if you are on an iOS device, you can just open up your App Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom right and search for Janitor AI. Now once you find the app, all you have to do is hit the install button right here. Now the app will be starting to install on your device. Just wait for it to completely install. And all you have to do now is just once the app is completely installed, open it up, sign up for a new account, and you can enjoy chatting with the AI bot. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.